Hi, I'm Simon. I'm a software engineer. Software engineering is writing software and managing data to help people solve problems, creating programs, apps, websites, and managing them over time. The key skills are an ability to program computers and understand data. Literacy, there's lots of reading involved. Numeracy is very useful, there's quite a lot of maths involved. You need to be able to work in a team. Software engineering is a team sport, and communication is therefore very important. The best thing about the job is probably getting to work with lots of very smart, very dedicated people, and helping them to solve problems. The problems themselves are technically interesting as well. I have a degree in electronic engineering, and having a degree in some kind of STEM subject is probably the easiest way into software engineering field. Something like computer science, mathematics, an engineering degree or a science degree, something like that. It's not absolutely necessary, but it's probably the simplest route. Best advice for getting into software engineering is probably to just have a play around with programming. Just tinker with things, investigate, build things, solve some problems that maybe you have, create some fun things. You're going to get asked to fix people's printers. That's just a thing, sorry. There's loads of resources online for getting into programming itself. So Scratch and Roblox are really good starters. You can move on to things like Python, Ruby, JavaScript. There are resources like codeclub.org, code.org, Raspberry Pi Foundation, all providing lots of beginner resources. And then you can move on. A lot of the tools we use are freely available online. Java, C#, Elixir, Haskell, Visual Studio Community Edition is free. There are sites like Stack Overflow. You can watch Computer File or Fun Function on YouTube, and there are lots of conferences putting their material online as well. A nice quote to leave you with from Larry Wall, the inventor of the Perl programming language, who said the three virtues of computer programming are laziness, impatience, and hubris. Laziness, because you want the computer to do the difficult work. Impatient, because you don't want to wait for it, you don't want it to be inefficient. And hubris, because you want to be proud of what you created.